guess what? My zines that I've made over the course of 5 years. It's crazy I only made 2. I need to make more. I should get done on that. But these are the 2 that I have made. This being the very first one I ever made, and this being the second one I made. This one is the Welcome to Hazeldale, which this one is a little trip through my hometown of Hazeldale, Washington. And I shot everything on instant photography. Did kind of like a guide. I wrote it in the field, like a field manual. This was a really fun one. This one I made back in 2020, and it only had like 1 release, and that was it. This one's really cool. I shouldn't even call it a zine. It's a full-on book. And this one is about me, stories, but really there's a little hidden twist with it. And it will be revealed at the end. And I'm not going to spoil it. But it is full of fun stories, photos, multiple different mediums. I mean, like this one's 360 photos. I need to do more of those too. Those are fun. But not only are there stories, photos, but there's QR codes mixed throughout the book where you can watch videos that go along with what you are learning about. Pretty unique book. I need to do another one kind of like this one. This one definitely took quite some time. I believe there's 140 something pages. We're gonna say 140 plus pages in this epic book. And this was also the year I was getting into instant photography. So it's a full journey. It's really fun, interactive, neat experience. And this has never been available since its initial release almost 6 years ago at this point. Until now, where you can get both of these. They're back up for pre-order right now. And the best part is, if you're watching this video on the release day, today is the final day that I've been doing a special discount on these books, where you can pre-order them at discounts, and then they'll go up to their regular retail price after that. And both of these do come signed. The pre-order ends December 8th, so get in your order, because who knows when these will become available, if ever again. You just never know. I'm doing a little Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, and there's a lot of other things on the website that I've marked down. Fun little extra surprises. And all my masterclasses are 50% off as well. Whew, just giving stuff away. And actually, the Instant Digitizing Blueprint, which is on sale, like I said, for 20 bucks, I walk you briefly through how I made these. Mostly just the software, how to do it, and how you can get yourself zines and books made of your work, if you're interested. Forgot about this. There's a whole page just dedicated to Wilson, with the video you can watch. This book's technically my rough draft book. There was errors. This was the year, like I said, I was just getting into instant photography. These QR codes are actually just links to videos of the review of the cameras. And it's funny that I don't have one for this camera because I hadn't done it yet, which I have done it now. Oh yes, this was also the year that I started to shoot like film, which ironically I don't really shoot that much of it, even to this day. I do some, as you guys know, and I do make videos about it from time to time. I do enjoy it, but I just prefer instant photography. It's just, in my opinion, so much more fun. There's just a lot of random stories, like this one here, this photo that my grandfather took. And it kind of is a big inspiration as to why I even liked photography in the first place. Yeah, he took that in 1945 after we dropped the bombs. Kind of unique, very unique piece of history. I haven't actually looked at this book in a long time. Pretty fun. This one's also really fun. I wanted to make one that was a lot more affordable, because when this was originally released, I did hardback copies and stuff, and yeah, it was super expensive. I think those were over $100 to have made. I'm not doing hardbacks this time. That's why it's going to be in paperback, a lot cheaper. And that's why I kind of wanted to make this one, mostly to do it a lot cheaper, because there were a lot of people that couldn't afford that one, and I get it. So I just made this one as a paperback version, a little bit smaller, get the cost down, but still kind of expensive to make these. And right now they're marked down basically for what it costs to print them. So snatch them up at a good deal. I necessarily don't need to make money on them. I just like getting my stuff out there. I know some people from time to time do message me like, hey, do you have any of your work or book or zines of any kind that just want to own it? So this is your chance to get one or two or more. But you can snatch these up Link is in the description. And be sure to check out the masterclass discount. That ends today. Yeah, 50% off, baby. Get in there. But anyway, it's a random video for you today on a Monday. I don't release videos on Mondays, but I want to let you guys know this in case you didn't see some of the shorts and announcements over on Instagram. I want to let you know what's going on. But until next time, get out there, make some art.